Hello, welcome to Physics Online with OK Links. All right, today we want to look at this very important question under light waves. And it says, an object is placed in front of two plane mirrors inclined at an angle of theta. If the total images formed is 7, find the value of theta. Of course, we are talking about two plane mirrors. When you have a plane mirror inclined at an angle with another plane mirror, then the value of the angle of inclination determines how many images that are formed. Okay, based on that theory, there is a simple formula that helps us to calculate the number of images formed whenever two plane mirrors are inclined at a particular angle. All right, so let's say that we have a plane mirror inclined with another plane mirror, all right, at an angle theta. We don't know the value of the angle. As a matter of fact, that is what they asked us to find. All right, they said we have to find the value of angle, and here they have given us the number of images formed. 7 images from here now, the number of images formed. Okay, so we're going to use the simple formula for calculating the number of images formed when two plane mirrors are inclined at an angle theta. So the number of images formed, n, is equal to 360 divided by the angle of inclination minus 1. So this is the formula that we're going to use. So here they have given us the value of theta and the value of the number of images formed, that is 7. We now substitute 7 is equal to 360 divided by theta, that is the angle of inclination, then minus 1. So the rest is to do the remaining mathematics, and that is all. Okay, now this is minus 1. It is on the right hand side of the equation. So we're going to bring it to the left and it will be plus 1. So we have 7 plus 1 is equal to, we now have 360 over theta. So 7 plus 1 is what? 8. 8 is equal to 360 over theta. This thing is over 1. So the next thing we're going to do is to cross multiply. Theta times 8 is what? 8 theta. Then 1 times 360 is what? 360. So the next thing for us to do is to divide both sides by the coefficient of theta, which is 8. So divided by 8, divided by 8. So 8 will cancel out. Then 8 divides itself 1. 8 divides this other one. We now have 45. So our theta is equal to 45 degrees. And that is the angle of inclination. And what it means is that anytime that two plane mirrors are inclined at 45 degrees, then we're going to have 7 images to be formed. All right? That is how it is for other values of angles too. Like if the theta here is changed to 30 or even 90, then we have different numbers of images formed. Okay, the value of the theta determines the number of images that are formed. I hope this is helpful. Thank you very much and bye-bye.